morning for you, bad morning for me. Online students, good morning. Online students, good morning. Am I visible to you all? Yes. Very good morning, Lalsa. Okay. Shall we start with the class? Yes, obviously, no other option. I have to start with the class. Okay. What we learned last class? What were the two types of functions we learned in the last class? We learned about concat function and we also learned about replace function. Why concat function is used? If we have to combine any two columns, then we will be using this concat function. And why replace function is used? To replace a part of a substring. Okay. So today we will learn something called as substring and instr. Substring and instr. What do you mean by substring or what do you mean by instring? What do you mean by substring first of all? Afreed, good morning. Suhas, yake ivat puja ilva? Ivat Mangalwara tane? Ganeshan vara tane? ಬೋ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ ಮಕ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, what do you mean by substring? Part of a string. So when you will use the substring function, when you have one complete string and you want to just take some part of the string, then you will be using the substring function. When you will be using instring function, check whether the string is, the substring is part of a string. When you will be using instring, my dear students, when you will be using instring function, when you will be using instring function, can I say when you want to know the position? Yes, when you want to know the position of some string, then you will be using the instring function. Okay, how it works? By solving the query, you will get it. Okay, take down the first query. Take down the first query. Write a query. Write a query. ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ, WAQ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Okay, write a query to extract the first 10 characters. Write a query to extract the first 10 characters from hospital location, from hospital location, having code 1, 2, 3. Having code 1, 2, 3. Yeah, how will you write the query for this? Now, they are just telling you to take out the first 10 characters of hospital name. So will you use substring function or will you use instring function? Substring, because from a complete string, that is the hospital name, you are just trying to take the first 10 characters. You are extracting something from that. So that is the reason you will be using substring function. So how will you write the query for this one? How will you write the query for this one? So first, you have to select, since you are extracting something, correct? I will be using substring function. So now what are they telling you to extract from that? First 10 characters. First 10 characters. Remember, they are not just saying 10 characters. See, if they just give 10 characters, consider you have a hospital name, Victoria Hospital. Okay. Consider that you have something called as Victoria space hospital. Okay. So now, if I just say you have to take out 10 characters, that's all. I will say write a query to take 10 characters from hospital name. Then what will happen? Okay, I got to know that I have to take out 10 characters. But 10 characters from where? From the starting, from the middle, from the end? I don't know. But here they are just mentioning first 10 characters. Okay. So now how will I write? I will write select substring from where I have to take it? From where I have to take it? From which column? The column name is hospital name. The column name is hospital name. Now, hospital location. Okay. The column name is hospital location. Now, they are telling you to take out 10 characters from the starting. Yes or no? They are telling you first 10 characters. So it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Will it consider space? 9 and 10. So you will be writing first 10 characters. Clear? Clear? See, why I'm writing 1 here? Because I want to tell to the code saying that from the first 10 letters, I mean from the starting letters, it has to take. That is the reason I'm mentioning the first number. If it was last, huh? If it was from last, you just take it from negative value. You just take it from negative value. So it will be -1, -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Clear? Done? Yes. Then from which table? From which table? From the table called as hospital. Is there any condition? Is there any condition? What is the condition? They are saying where hospital code is equals to 10. You don't have code like 1, 2, 3 because you have done only till 115, I guess so. Yes. So I will take it as 105. Clear? Clear? Yes. Take down the second query. Take down the second query. Write a query to extract a substring. Write a query to extract a substring of the hospital name. Write a query to extract the substring of the hospital name starting from of the hospital name starting from the fourth character for a specific hospital, fourth character of a specific hospital with code 101. With code 101. Now, if you clearly observe the query, they are telling you to extract the substring from hospital name. But are they telling you first 4 characters or last 4 characters? No. They are just telling you 4 characters. Now, how will you write the query? So again, this is for the first one. Second one, again you will write select which function you have to use. You have to use the function substring. From which column you're supposed to extract? From which column? You have to take it from hospital name or location. Hospital name. Now, they are not telling you first 4 characters or last 4 characters. They are just telling you 4 characters. Yes or no? From the 4th character. See, from the 4th character or 4th character. It is the same. It is the same. Yes or no? So I will just mention 4. I will just mention 4. From which table? From the table called as hospital. And now, have they given any condition? Yes, they are saying where hospital code is equals to 10. Clear? Clear with this? Yes. Take down the next query. Write a query to extract. Write in double quotes RAI. From Aishwarya Rai. Nanantalla. Now, how will you write the query for this? They are just telling you to extract, right, from the word. Yes. So now how will you write the code for this? How will you write the code for this? Can I say that is a raw data? Can I say that is a raw data? So now how will I write the query? I will say select substring from which name I have to take. Should I put it inside the string? Yes. So I will say okay. Now what are they saying? You have to take out RAI from that. Yes. Now, can you count and tell? You know it is 3 letters. So at the end, I will mention 3. But what is the position of this R? What is the position from there? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. I will mention 11. Clear? Is the query right? Yes or no? Online students, are you people getting? Online students? No, they are not, my dear. No, from now onwards. Yes? Okay, take down the next query. Okay, now if I say another example, I say extract the word Raj from Puneet Rajkumar. Extract the word Raj from Puneet Rajkumar. How will you take? What is his name? Can you spell it? PUNITHRAJKUMAR. Okay. So now I am telling that ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎದ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ನ ಮಕ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೊಡಿತೀಯ ಅವನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಏನ್ ಕೆದ್ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಚುಚ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ Now they are telling that you have to extract the word Raj from Puneet Rajkumar. Yes or no? This is also 3 letters. So I will write 3 here. Now, but from which R? You have R here also. So now it's better I will tell the character number. Yes. So how much is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so I will write 8, clear. ಚರಣ್ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ ತಲೆ ಅಳ್ಳಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ Take down the next question. Write a query to find the position. Write a query to find the position of the character B. Obviously, people would have mentioned Bangalore, no? Yes, B in all the hospital name. Oh, sorry, hospital location. You do. Write a query to find the position of the character B for ball. In all the hospital names. So now, in all the hospital location. Okay. Now, will you use substring or will you use instr? I said for instr means you will be getting to know the position value. Yes or no? How will I write the query for this? Where will I write? 1 second, wait. Yeah, tell me how to write the query. They are telling you to find the position of the character B in all the hospital location. So obviously I have to use instring function. select in string from which column name? From which column name? It is from hospital. It is from hospital location. What are they telling you to extract? Sorry, what are they telling you to, which character count you want to get? I mean, which position you want to know? B position. So I will just take it in single quotes and I will say B. Then from which table? From the table called as. Clear? Clear till here? Yes or no? Take down the next query. Online students, are you people sleeping? Online students. Okay, take down the next question. Write a query, or how can you use the instr function? How can you use the instr function to find the position of Bangalore control Bangalore in the hospital location for all hospitals. In the hospital location for all hospitals. Divya, Bhumika, Adesh, Darshan, Jyoti Krishna, Santosh, Nitesh, Sanjay, Suvarna. Everyone are present or sleeping? Nitesh, good morning. Hello, Giddo. ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಎದ್ದು ಬಂದಿರೋ ಅಂತಾರ ಅವನೇ. ನೀನ್ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು. ನೀವ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡೋ, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಕಲ್ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರು ಗರ್ಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಜಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Yeah. So now, what are they telling that? Now, you have to get to know the position of the word Bangalore, which is present in hospital location. How will you write the query for this? So we'll say select in string from which column? Hospital location. What is the string now? Which string you want to get to know? Bangalore. So I will say Bangalore. Close this. From which table? From the table hospital. Clear? Clear? Yes or no? Okay. Santosh, I cannot listen to your voice. ಇದ್ಯಾವುದೋ ನಿನ್ ತರಾನೇ ಆಡ್ತೈತಿ. लालिमा पेन है देना. ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ ತೊಳೆದು ನೆಚ್ಕೊಡ್ದೆ ಬೇಕಾ? Okay, take down the next query. Write a query to retrieve the position of n. Write a query to retrieve the position of n from V stand for U solution. Write a query to retrieve the position of n from V stand for U solution. How will you write? Again, select. See, if you have to get to know the position, obviously you will be using in string function. So I will say select in string. From which one? What is the string given there? You don't have column name here because the table is not present in your database. Yes. So now what I have to take? I have to take V stand for view solution. Monica, Elidia. V stand for you solution. Which letter I want to extract, or which letter's position I want to know? N. So I will say N. Should I give a semicolon or should I say from hospital? That's all. Yes. Clear with this? Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Write a query. Write a query to retrieve. Write a query to retrieve the substring. Write a query to retrieve the substring from hospital location. From hospital location. From the position. From the position where character B, where character B appears in the hospital location, appears in the hospital location until the end of the string. Until the end of the string. Now tell me, how will you write for this? How will you write for this? Yeah, tell the query for this. Select gottu mundu kelre. Substring. Okay, you have to take the hospital location. Okay. Comma. See, they are telling you, see, if you clearly observe, you have both substring and instring in this. Yes or no? So they are telling you from the substring hospital location, from the substring hospital location, you have to get you have to get to know the position of B by using instring function. How will you write the query? How will you write the query? How will you write? My dear students, how will you write? Guys, clearly observe. Select. What are they saying? Select. Write a query to retrieve the substring from hospital location. So the first function is substring. Yes or no? So which function I have to use? I have to use substring of what? Substring of hospital location. Yes or no? Now what are you saying next? Hospital location from the position where character B appears in the hospital location. So it is instring. You have to get to know the position. You have to use instring. So can I say comma instring of what? Hospital location. I will say hospital location, comma B. That's all. Comma B from. Correct or no? Clear with this? Clear with this? Yes. Everyone. Guys, you have to talk. Okay. Let me just see whether I have some questions. There's no question. Okay. Take down. Clear with this? Solve this one first. Solve this one. Okay. Wait. I'll teach another one. Trim, lpad and rpad function. Okay. Then you people solve it. After that, solve the HackerRank questions. Are you people doing? Who is genuinely doing? Raise your hand. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ನೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ? ನೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ರಿತೇಶ್? ನಿಜ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? Guys, when you're solving those questions, Are you finding any difficulties? Or are you getting questions which I've not done in the class? ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಯಾವುದು? Group by class I will do it in the last. Okay, not very last. I'll do it tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Let it be announced. I don't want to do it. I don't want to get into trouble. ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತಾ 24 ಗಂಟೆ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ ಕೊಡಕಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ? ಅದು ನೀವು ಜಿಡಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಇಂದ ರಜಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋ ರಜಾ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಜಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಎಲ್ಗೆ? ಸ್ಮಶಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕ? ಊರ್ಗ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕ? ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರ್ ನೇನು ಏನಂದ್ರು? ವಾಟ್ ಸೇ? ಇವತ್ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂದ್ರ? ಬರ್ಲಿ ಕಣೋ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಂದೈತೆ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಎಲ್ರು ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ನೋ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರು. ನಾಳೆ ನೀವು ಜಿಡಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದು. ನೀನ್ ಇರೋದ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ತಾನೆ? ನಿನಗ್ ಯಾವ ಊರೈತೆ? ನೀನ್ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? ಯಾಕೋ ಅಫ್ರೀದ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನ? ನಿನ್ ಮಕ್ಕ ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಎತ್ತೆ ಇರತ್ತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಫ್ರೀದ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್? ಗಣೇಶನೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಳುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಇವನು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ದೂಕ್ ಬಿಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, take down the next function. See, what is the next function? If just open string functions, in there just see how many functions are over. Length, then sorry, uppercase, lowercase, length, reverse, concat, replace, substring, instring. Now we will do trim, lpad, rpad. Okay, others still 3 are left out. One day only if I put everything will evaporate. Okay, done. First of all, you people are very good in evaporating things. Sujay, ನೀನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒದಕ್ ಬಂದೆ. ನೀನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇವತ್ತು ಓದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋ, ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸುಜಯ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಓಟೋದ. ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನೋ ನಿನ್ ರೋಗ? What is the next function? Trim. Take down the next function as trim. When you will use this trim function? When will you remove this trim function? ಸುಹಾಸ್, ನಿಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಉಚ್ಚನಾಗಿ ಕಚ್ತಾ? Okay, the next function is trim function, comma, lpad and rpad. lpad and rpad function. Yeah, when will you use this trim function? When you want to remove any spaces. When you want to remove any spaces, you will be using this trim function. In the spaces also, you have two types of spaces. In the spaces also, you have two types of spaces. Okay, so for an example, consider I have a string like this. Now, what is the difference here? What is the difference? So if you can observe, I have given few space at the starting and few space at the ending. Yes or no? So now just take down that. Before the string, see now, this is a string. Before the string, you have space. Yes or no? Before the string, if you have space, before the string, if you have space, then it is called as, before the string, if you have space, then it is called as leading space. Then it is called as leading space. ಅರ್ಚನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Next one. After the string, if you have spaces, after the string, if you have spaces, then it is called as trailing space. Trailing. Trailing spaces. So before the string, if you have space, what is it called as? Leading space. After the string, if you have spaces, then it is called as trailing space. So when will you use this trim function? Whenever you want to remove spaces, either from the starting of the string or ending of the string, then you will be using this trim function. Okay? Yes, trim and the haircut ankobed. Okay. Take down the query. Write a query to remove leading space. Write a query to remove leading space from the word we stand for you. Copy it however I have written. Nimde own bariyangidre, do whatever you want. Now, obviously, you have to select it first. Yes or no? Now, they are telling you to remove the leading space. Leading space is before the string or after the string? Before the string. Yes? Okay, na? Huh. So now, I have to use a function called as trim function. Now, does the code, when I'm using trim function, it knows that, yes, I have to remove the space. But will the code know that should I remove it from the starting or from the ending? You have to see, already you people know that you have two types of spaces. One is leading space and one is trailing space. Now, you have to mention in the code which space I want to remove. Now, according to the query, which space I want to remove? Leading space, yes or no? So, I will say leading. Leading from what? Leading from the what? I will say leading from, however you have written here, write it in the same manner. We stand for. Then close this. Yes or no? Yes or no? Close this. Then what I should do? Semicolon. Or should I say from hospital? Semicolon. Take down the next query. ಯಾವನೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಂದಿದ್ದು ಗೀತೇಶ್ ಅದು ನೀನೆ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. Guys, do you feel SQL is very difficult? Same like your HTML and CSS. Only one function you have to use or a word you have to use. Yes or no? Yes or no? Take down the next question. Online students, are you people following? Online students, are you people following? Everyone. Guys, I want everyone to reply. If no one is replying, no, the person who is not replying, I will remove you from the meeting. Okay. Take down the next query. Write a query to remove only the trailing space. only the ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ಅವನ ಪೆನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Write a query to remove only the trailing space from the same word we stand for. Now how will you write the query? How will you write the query? Instead of leading, you will be writing trailing from. That's clear. Done. Take down the next query. Take down the next query. Write a query. Write a query to remove. Write a query to remove leading and trailing spaces. Write a query to remove leading and trailing spaces from the hospital name. From the hospital name for hospital code. For hospital code 115. For the hospital code 115. How will you write the query now? They are telling you to remove both leading space and trailing space. How will you write? Will you write leading, comma, trailing? Then what you'll write? Nothing. See, if you mention select trim both from we stand for you also, you will get. When you write the word both, it will take, it is both leading space and trailing space. If you don't mention that both also, it will work. Okay, clear? Done. Take down the next query. What is the condition for that one, previous one which they gave? Where hospital code is equals to 115. Take down the next question. Yanma. Write a query. Write a query to display. This is bit confusing. Write a query to display. Write a query to display the hospital code. The hospital code as 5 digits. Write a query to display the hospital code as 5 digits. Comma, comma. If the hospital code is 5 digit, if the hospital code is 5 digit, comma, comma, display the same. Display the same. If the hospital code is 5, hospital code is 5 digits, display the same. Else if it is less than 5 digits, else if it is less than 5 digits, make the 5 digits, make it 5 digits, make it 5 digits by padding, adding alla padding zeros to the left, and display hospital code, Now, will you use, obviously you got to know what do you mean by padding. Padding means adding. Yes or no? You already got to know you have to use either lpad or rpad. Now tell me, according to the question, will you use lpad or rpad? Huh? lpad or rpad? lpad. Why lpad? Because at the last they are saying 5 digits by padding zeros to the left. Zeros to the left. How will you write the query for this? How will you write the query for this? So first of all, you have to select. What you have to select here? Hospital code. See, hospital code you have given only 3 digits. Either you have to add in the starting or at the ending. Yes or no? So you got to know that it is lpad. So I will be using the function called as lpad. where I have to add this code, sorry, to which column I have to pad? Hospital code. Yes or no? So I will write hospital code. Then what you should do? Then they are saying if the digits, sorry, you want to get 5 digits. You want to get 5 digits, but you know that there are only 3 digits there. You have to get 5 digits. Now, if you have the code like 111, I have to add some digits. They have already said in the query which digit you have to add. Yes or no? That to lpad, left side, you have to add 0. They have not said how many zeros. But you know that you have already said I have to get 5 numbers. I have to get 5 digits. The code will itself get to know that already you have three digits means I have to add 2 more digits. Yes or no? So that too you have to pad with 0. From which table? From the table called as hospital. Clear with this? Clear with this? Any doubt you have? Any doubt you have? My dear students, any doubt? Huh? Innocity explain madbeka. Okay. Result ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? So for an example, you have already written one column as hospital code. Yes or no? Hospital code. In that you have taken 101, 102, 103, 104, 105 and so on till 115. Alva. So now, according to the question, what they are saying, you have to display 5 digits. If it is 5 digits, okay. If not, you have to add or you have to pad zeros towards the left side. Towards the left side. So, I know that I have to add zeros towards the left side. If 3 digits ide andre, I want to get 5 digits. So, obviously, you have to add 2 zeros here. You can ask me a question, ma'am, then why haven't you mentioned 2 zeros there? Because here I have already mentioned you have to get 5 digits only. 5 digits only. And I am saying that wherever the empty space is there, there you fill it with 0. There you fill it with 0. That too by using lpad. That too towards the left side. So the code by itself will go and check you have 3 digits. So I have to fill with 2 more places, that too with 0. Then only I will get 5 digits. Correct? If ilva. If it is 6 digit, you will write 6 comma. If I say fill it with asterisk, then instead of 0, you will write asterisk. Correct? Yes, clear? Done. Take down the next query. Write a query. Write a query to write pad. Write a query to write pad the hospital name. Write a query to write pad the hospital name with asterisks. With asterisks to a length of 30 characters. To a length of 30 characters for a specific hospital code. For a specific hospital code 101. For a specific hospital code 101. So now, how many digits are you supposed to have here? 30. So how will you write? Select lpad or rpad? Rpad. From which column? Hospital name, comma. They have already mentioned 30 characters. That to write pad. Yes. rpad, hospital name, comma, 30. And remaining spaces, what you have to fill it with 0 or asterisk? Asterisk, so we'll write asterisk from hospital. Clear? Yes. Done. Online students, are you getting? Online students, Take down the next query. Take down the next query. Write a query. Write a query to retrieve string to retrieve the to retrieve the hello string, and pad it with asterisk, that too not normal asterisk, you have to take it in single quotes and asterisk characters on the right until it reaches a total length of until it reaches the total length of 10 characters. 10 characters. How will you write the code for this? See, they are saying that you have the word called as hello. You have the word called as hello. Hello is how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 characters. What is the total number of characters they are saying? 10. 10, na? 10. And they are saying remaining you have to fill it with asterisk. So how will you write? If this is 5, another 5 more asterisk. Yes or no? My dear students? Yes. So this is how you will get the output. Okay. Take down the last query. Write a query to add zeros to the right. Write a query to add zeros to the right side. Zeros to the right side of the number. Right side of the number 120 to make it 1,20,000. And count ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ. To make it, you have to make the number 120 as 1,20,000. How will you do? How will you do? They have already given you a hint saying that you have to write pad. Yes or no? Either you fill it with, see, if you have to make it to 1,20,000, you have to pad with zeros only. Yes or no? So how will you write? How will you write? Select rpad 120, comma 6, 120. You have to get, see, 1,20,000 means you will get 6 digits. Yes or no? So you will write 6, comma 0. Correct? Correct? Yes. Now open your laptops. Solve this query. Solve all these query. Online students, solve this all queries for all the functions which I have given. Then try solving the HackerRank questions. Clear? Clear? Everyone? Online students, am I clear? Guys, are you people understanding? Are you people facing any difficulties? You're feeling it's difficult? Huh? Yes, everyone solve this queries first on your laptop. Then try solving HackerRank questions. ನೆನೆ ನೀವು ಕೂತಿರೋ ಔತರ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೂತಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಏನ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಬಂದೈತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ರಿತೇಶ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಹಾ ಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಏನ್ನ ಬಟ್ lpad rpad ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಖುಷಿ. ಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಯಾಡಿಂಗ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಟ್ರಿಮ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಸಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಸಸ್, ಈದರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ or ending of the string, then only you will use trim. ಅವರು ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ. ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಬಿಡ್ತಿರೋ ನಿಂಗೆ ಅಸಹ್ಯ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ವಾ ಸುಹಾಸ್? ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕೆಟ್ಟಾಗ ಉಗ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡೋ ಸುಜಯ್ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಹುಡುಗಿರ್ಗಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಐತೆ ಕಣ. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನೇಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ. ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತು? ಬೈ ಹಾಕಿ ಬೆಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಿತ್ತೋಗಿರೋ ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀರ ತಾನೇ? ಇದೇ ತಾನೇ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಹಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಗನಂದರಿ ಕೆಲ್ಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯವ? ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇನದು ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿದ್ ಒಂದ್ ಹಾಡ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರಾಜ ರಾಜ ಅಂತ, ನೀನ್ ರಾಜ ನೆನ್ಸ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇರ್ತೀಯಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋನ್ನ. ಲಿಖಿತಾ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಮಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲೋಗಿದೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ದಿನ? ಹಾ ಇವತ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೆ? ಬಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರಂತ. ಇಷ್ಟ ದಿನ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ? ಹಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ದಿನ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ नीलोफर कहाँ है? वो भी गई? जो भी पूछो पता नहीं बोलती रहती. So today, have you all prepared for the 3D rounder? Huh? No na. ಏನು 3D ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆನಾ? ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರೇ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಕಣೋ, ನಾನೇನ್ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ? ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ಕೆಂಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ ಚಾವಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಗುಡ್ ಸಂಜಯ್. ಸಂಜಯ್ ಯಾ Alma. The length. How would you write? All the queries you solved or not? Online students except Sanjay, no one else is showing. Yeah, Sanjay, I know you have done. Others, rest. Adesh, Bhumika, Nitesh, Jyoti Krishna, Darshan. What about you all? Nitesh, you were so active in the class at the very starting. Now you have become so lazy. Why, Nitesh? Nitesh? Srisha, you got the query? Okay, online students, try solving the HackerRank questions. I know you people are not doing the HackerRank questions. Guys, solve it on your own. Don't use ChatGPT. क्या हुआ ललिमा? वो लेंथ का क्वेश्चन ना? Shah, doing Afreed. Prepare yourself for GD round. My dear students, prepare yourself for GD round. Not now. After solving the queries. After 10:30. ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವನೋ ನೀನು ಸುಜಯ್ ನೀ ತಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. You people think that if though you people are not visible to me, I cannot listen to your voices. ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ದಿತೇಶ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಬೇರೆನೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡು. Suvarna, okay, guys, online students, start solving HackerRank questions. ನೀನ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಮ್ಮ? ಅದು ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು. ಸುಜಯ್ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ? ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್? ನಿಂಗೆ ಜಾವ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟಾ ಇವಾಗ ಹ್ಯಾಕರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟಾ? ಏನ್ ಕಲರ್?
ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜ್.
ನೀವಿಬ್ರಾ?
ಬೇರೆ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಿಕ್ಲು ತಿಕ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕತೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ನೀವೇ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? ನಿಮ್ 3 ಜನದ ಹತ್ರ? ಮಿಸ್ ಕಾಲ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು. ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆ? ನೀನೊಬ್ಳೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ? ಆ ನೀವು ಹುಡುಗಿರು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಉದ್ದಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ 3 ಜನನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಬ್ಳೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಳು. ಹಿಂದೆ ತಿರುಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡು. ಚೆನ್ನ ಅವಳು ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೋಂಬೇರಿ ಹುಡುಗಿರಂತ ಶತ ಸೋಂಬೇರಿಗಳೇನ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹುಡುಗರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಉಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಹುಡುಗಿರ್ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಗಿದ್ರು ಮಕ್ಳು ಒರೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಏನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕಣೋ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯೋ? ಏನ್ನ? ಅಫ್ರೀದ್ ಇನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ನ? ಅಫ್ರೀದ್ಗಂತ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕಾಲ ಇನ್ನ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ. अफरीद कन्नड़ बरता? तू उसको पूछ रहा था क्वेश्चन? वो पूछ रहा था, वो कह रहा है कि तू पूछ रहा था उसको. मैंने इसलिए कहा कि अफरीद को इतना बुरा वक्त नहीं आया है कि वो तुझसे आके डाउट पूछे. लाफिंग लेडीज 3 ಜನನು ಎದ್ ಬನ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನಾ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದಿ ಜಡ್ಜ್. ಚೇರ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬನ್ರಿ ಅಂದೆ. ಚೇರು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಕೈ ಬೀಸ್ಕೊ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? ನೀನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ. ಇವಾಗ ಜರ್ಕೋ, ಅವಳೆ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತಾಳ. ಜರ್ಗು ಸಾಕಾಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಂಗೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮಾತಾಯಿ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡು ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಬ್ರೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಕರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿ ಸಾಕು. ಇದು ಕುಟ್ಟದ್ ನಿಲ್ಸು, ಹ್ಯಾಕರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿ. ಹಾ ಹ್ಯಾಕರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬುದಿ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಹ್ಯಾಕರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಹ್ಯಾಕರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ? ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಬಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಇದೇ ಹುಡುಗಿರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ದುರಾಂಕಾರ ದೌಲತ್ತು ಹಂಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಟು ನಿತೇಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಹೋಗ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಯಾ. ನಿತೇಶ್ ಮಾಡು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಸುಜಯ್ ಹೋಗೋ, ಸುಜಯ್ ಮಾಡು. कुछ को लालिमा वो रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर ले.